My name is Sardinas. Let me ask you a question. How would you like to present more effectively so more business comes to you? The good news is that we have prepared this amazing workshop on the 28th and 29th of July. The name is Speakers Are Leaders. And this event has been listed among the best world-class events in the planet today. Events like Unleash the Power from Tony Robbins, or events like the Robert Kiyosaki's. The most important thing about the workshop on the 28th and 29th of July is that when you graduate from Speakers and Leaders, you can experience the same results that our students already had achieved. They have managed to close major contracts, they have managed to open their own YouTube channels, their own Facebook live show, they have get more confidence on the stage, they have become international speakers, as well as share the message and the story with the world. Now, Speakers and Leaders is a combination of 3 workshops in one. And the name of the workshops are Unleash the Speaker Within, Speak and Make Money, and Video Essential from Zero to Hero. So, what happened in the first workshop is you're gonna learn how to overcome the fear of public speaking. You're gonna learn also how to develop the skill so you can handle uncomfortable questions, because you will learn how to speak impromptu. And this will give you a cutting edge in your business or in your personal life. You're also gonna learn how to tell your story. So you're going to learn how to tell your story in a way that touch, move, and inspire the audience. And the system that we have prepared for that is amazing, so you can learn it effectively. The second workshop that you will experience, the name is Speak and Make Money. And what you're gonna learn there, you're gonna learn how to find the right topic for you, so you can speak about and you can get the most results. Also, you're gonna learn how to brand yourself as a speaker, so you can charge more for your services and you can look like a rock star. Also, you're gonna learn how to prepare the killer presentation. This presentation that you will do on and on and on and on, and will give you big results all the time, because you're gonna learn exactly the structure that your PowerPoint presentation needs to have in order to get you the maximum outcome. You're also gonna learn something amazing, which is how to sell from a stage, because you have to take a choice if you want to become a fee speaker or a free speaker. If you want to become a fee speaker, you have to learn how to tell your story. If you want to become a free speaker, the main skill that you need to learn is how to sell from the stage. The third thing that you're gonna learn is Video Essential from Zero to Hero. And in this part, you're going to experience something amazing. First thing is that you will learn how to overcome the fear of speaking from a camera, which is completely different of speaking in front of an audience. You're also gonna learn the techniques about what kind of background you should be using to record video, what kind of sound, what kind of light, because video is very important. It's the most important thing in the planet today if you want to take your business to the next level. And we're gonna show you exactly how you can also speak in front of the camera by performing a testimonial that you're gonna learn the structure of this testimonial, and you will be able to use it for your business as well. Remember, you have 3 workshops: Unleash the Speaker Within, Speak and Make Money, and Video Essential from Zero to Hero. And this is what happened on the 28th and 29th of July here in London. All this content will be delivered to you with an amazing technology that we develop at Speakers and Leaders, and the name is Experiential Learning. Because Speakers and Leaders is not a listening workshop, it's a speaking workshop. So you will go to the stage not 1 time, not 2 times, but 4 times, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. It's going to be music, it's going to be lights, it's going to be everything that you need to have fun and to raise the energy, so you can have an immense breakthrough in your life and your presentation skills go to the next level. So don't wait, book right now, the tickets below, And I see you on the 28th and 29th of July in London at the Speakers and Leaders Workshop.